Hello and welcome to the channel. It is a fall from grace. PDP was not just the biggest political party in Nigeria, but the biggest in Africa. They had dominated for 16 years. Who could stop them? But what they are now is bordering short of irrelevance. Having failed again in the recently concluded elections, they are left to fight for crumbs in the National Assembly. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you. How Nuad Kwan outsmarted Ningi, Tambuwal, Aliero, Dixon, others to emerge minority leader. Barely a week after his emergence as minority leader of the Senate, fresh facts have emerged about how Senator Simon Davao Nuad Kwan, PDP, Plateau North outsmarted ranking senators of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, to take the position. Vanguard gathered that prior to the resumption of the Senate from recess, there were a series of meetings of PDP senators and stakeholders brainstorming on how the minority leader would emerge and the list of those selected to be forwarded to the party. The last such meeting was the one called by the National Working Committee (NWC) to hold with the senators elected on the platform of the party. It was learned that the meeting was called by the acting national chairman of the party, Ambassador Umar Hiliya Damagan, but unfortunately, when the time for the meeting finally came, both the chairman and the new minority leader were absent, thereby leaving others confused about what was happening. It was gathered that a former governor from the South was working hard to ensure his preferred person became the minority leader and not the choice of the party, who was the immediate past governor of Sokoto, Senator Aminu Tambuwal. According to a source, the minority leader was absent at the meeting where a decision was to be taken on the position of the party without an apology from him. The source said there was already a game that was on, and the result was what transpired on Tuesday on the floor of the Senate. This was said to have generated tension in the Senate, especially as PDP senators who already knew what was playing out against the resolution of the party's NWC were aggrieved. It was also gathered that to make the emergence of the new minority leader foolproof, there was already a deal with the president of the Senate, Senator Godswill Akpabio, which explained the rushed executive session which came before the opposition names were read. According to the source, the Tuesday, July 4 development was the complete opposite of the decision of the PDP, as the party had, in a letter dated July 3, 2023, informed Akpabio that the party was still brainstorming and had not concluded on minority leadership. The letter read, "The leadership of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, wishes to congratulate you on your emergence as President of the 10th Senate. We believe you will use the position for the advancement of democracy and the development of our country. We consider it expedient to notify you of the position of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, and the PDP caucus of the Senate on the issue of the minority leadership of the 10th Senate. In the tradition of our party, consultations are still ongoing with the minority caucus of the 10th Senate. As it stands, the nomination for the minority leadership position for the 10th Senate is yet to be concluded. The decision of the PDP caucus on this will be formally communicated to you accordingly. Please accept the assurances of the National Working Committee's esteemed regards." Present at the meeting, the decision was taken where former Senate Deputy Majority Leader Senator Abdul Ningi, PDP, Bauchi Central, immediate past governor of Sokoto State, Senator Aminu Tambuwal, PDP, Sokoto North, and Senator Seriake Dixon, PDP, Bayelsa West. Others are Senator Shoaibu Issa Lau, PDP, Taraba North, Senator Haba Moro, PDP, Benue South, Senator Ned Nwoko, PDP, Delta North, and Senator Sunday Katong, PDP, Kaduna North. Also present were Senators Aminu Iya Abbas, PDP, Adamawa Central, Senator Yahaya Abdullahi, PDP, Kebbi North, Senator Napoleon Bali, PDP Plateau South, Senator Ekong Sampson, PDP Akwa Ibom South, and Senator Mohammed Ogoshi Onawu, PDP Nasarawa South. Those who took apology were Senator Ibrahim Hassan Dakwambo, PDP Gombe North, Senator Haruna Manu, PDP Taraba Central, Senator Ibrahim Khalid, PDP Kaduna North, and 2 other senators. This letter, coming a day after the resumption of the Senate, was however ignored as the President of the Senate had last Tuesday announced Senator Simon Davo Muadkwon, PDP Plateau North, as the Senate Minority Leader, and Senator Darlington Wokosha, LP Abia Central, as the Minority Whip. Akpabio also read the name of Senator Oyewumi Kamorudin Olarere, PDP Osun West, as the Deputy Minority Leader, and Senator Rufai Anga, NNPP Kano Central, as the Deputy Minority Whip. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and please turn the notification bell on. Thank you. The announcement of principal officers from the minority parties showed new senators as big names of old senators like Aminu Tambuwal, PDP Sokoto South, Seriake Dixon, PDP Bayelsa West, Abdul Ningi, PDP Bashi Central, and Adamu Aliero, PDP Kebbi Central, all lost out in the political game on intrigues. Before his emergence, names of ranking senators were heard, and at a point there was a joint statement from them that they would resist any attempt to impose a leadership on them. In the 10th Senate, the emergence of Senator Mwad Kwan pushed aside the ranking senators, including former Senate Deputy Majority Leader Senator Abdul Ningi, PDP Bashi Central, Senator Adamu Aliero, PDP Kebbi Central, former Senate Leader Senator Yahaya Abdullahi, PDP Kebbi North, immediate past Governor of Sokoto State, Senator Aminu Tambuwal, PDP Sokoto North, and Senator Seriake Dixon, PDP Bayelsa West. But speaking on his emergence as minority leader on Arise TV on Thursday, Mwad Kwan said, "I am from the North Central, and when we saw the arrangements and the political office sharing in the whole country, the North Central was completely exempted. So the North Central people met and took a decision and said, no, we must also vie for a position in the Senate. We've been shortchanged in the House of Representatives, and when it was time for the Senate, we found out that no position had been given to the North Central, and we decided that we must try our best. So the North Central took a decision. It will interest you to know that all members of the minority parties in North Central nominated me and decided that I should go and run for this position, and therefore I accepted the challenge. Therefore, I have nothing personal against Tambuwal." That's the news, guys. Thanks for listening. Until next time, bye.